I'm gonna spend the next hour outside in a snowstorm running at my Maffetone pace. Before I go out and attempt to run in a blizzard, the thing that I need to say is, it's just the dedication. It's the discipline. It's about getting out and doing the hard things. That's why today I'm gonna run 10 kilometers in a blizzard and I'm gonna survive. Before I go outside and expose myself to the freezing cold, you have to remember, it is literally 2 days before Christmas. I want to see my family on Christmas morning with all of my limbs intact. We are experiencing a winter blizzard that I have not seen in a very long time. The wind chill is around -22 to -26, and that is flippin' freezing. And I'm gonna go out and run in this thing. The winds are so strong right now that it literally is blowing things away. This is the only thing I could find. I lost my other buff. It's time to layer up, baby. The light just burned out. What else can go wrong today? And my toilet seat just broke. Jeez, everything's falling apart. Cold out there. I have to wear glasses, otherwise my eyeballs are gonna hurt. Oh, here we go, I got them. This is the most important thing to wear when I go running outside. I can't even get them on. Hold on, there you go. I should be warm. But there's a problem with this. These glasses are gonna get fogged up. I'm not gonna do it. It's just too cold. I'm gonna freeze my you-know-what off. What am I trying to accomplish? What am I trying to do? Why am I doing this? The thing is I know me, and I know what happens when I'm idle for too many days. And if I plan on running a marathon in the springtime, I need to do the hard things. It's not running when it's nice outside or it's warm or any of that kind of stuff. It's running through miserable weather that makes me a stronger runner. So I can play the pity party all I want, or I can go out there and do the hard things. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Now the goal today is to get her done in zone 2. That is up to 149 beats a minute. Let's see if I can do this running in zone 2. So about 149 beats a minute, that's max. Woo. We got some drifts. Whoa. It's a good day for a run, I guess. Time to do a little bit of running. Holy Toledo, but man, it is flipping cold. What's my why? I started off the year like this, and I'm ending the year like this. Oh my gosh. What is it that makes me love running so much that I run in this stupid weather? It's time to, oh my gosh, I just gotta warm up. Nobody on the road, look at that. Woo! Yeah, bring it on. Yeah, this is just great. Let's go have some fun in the snow, baby. I gotta be crazy, but I sure do love running. Hi to all my American friends. There's Canadians and Americans living together in harmony. Love to see that. Woo! I'm running in a snowstorm. That hurts. That hurts. I'm running in a blizzard. Welcome to Canada. Oh my God. This is so hard. Here we go. That's what I'm running into. Oh yeah. This seems so exciting. Doesn't it make you want to get out there and run? God help me. All you people living in Texas, in California, or Spain, or someplace warm, thank your lucky stars, because this is cold. 10K. 10K in a blizzard. I can do it. I can do it. I can't see where I'm going. Oh, there I am. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So you all may be wondering, why is this idiot running in a blizzard? Well, it's minus 22 Celsius. It just sounded like a good thing to do at the time. Really? I don't know. Sometimes I question my sanity. Forget about the Maffetone method. Forget about heart rate. Let's just run to stay warm. This is crazy. Whew. I guess I'm crazy. Whew. But you gotta get it in. No excuses. No saying I'm tired. It's too cold. I don't want to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, baby, get up and do it. That's how winning is done. Yeah. Whew. Say no to the Maffetone method. Say no to the Carbon method. Say no to 80-20. Say no to everything. Because when you're running in this, the only thing that matters is you just gotta keep on moving. Even if you're running through snow drifts. Woo! Yeah, make it happen. Oh my God. I'm the only one out here. God, the snowbanks, the drifts are big. Oh, my snot is freezing. Oh my God. Yeah. All right. I'm running. If this doesn't motivate you guys to get out and follow your dreams, I don't know what will. I can't feel my hand anymore. I just, it's a big snowbank. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is just lovely. More snowbanks. There we go. Oh my God, my hand is so cold. Oh, the snowbanks. The drifts. This is it. This is what we all waited for. Let's see Dave fall flat on his face. Let's see Dave fall flat on his face. That's what you guys are all wanting to see. Come on. Yeah, admit it. Oh my God. Get out and run, Dave. Get out and run. Oh my God, guys, it's so cold. 10K done. Get out and run. Even if it's minus 22 Celsius. Oh my God. It's a few hours later. We're gonna go take a look at the numbers and we're gonna see how I did on my run and see if I met any of those kind of funky goals. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I know I didn't reach my goal of trying to keep my heart rate in my zone, but you know what? You saw what I was running through and it was absolutely insanity. But I'll tell you what, if you get out there and you do the hard things over and over and over again, you become resilient. That way, when you're running your marathon, you'll be able to reach the end and you'll be able to look back and go, you know what? It was all that hard work that I put in that got me to the finish line. So like I always say, get out and run and watch this video next.